Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading an HTML file in Java can be accomplished using various methods, depending on what you want to do with the content. Below, I will provide a detailed tutorial on how to read an HTML file using Java, including code examples and explanations. ###tutorial, reading an HTML file in Java. ###method 1, using bufferedreader. One of the simplest ways to read an HTML file is to use bufferedreader along with filereader. This method works well if you just want to read the raw HTML content line by line. ###example code. ###explanation. Imports, we import necessary classes from java.io. FileReader, this class allows you to read the file. BufferedReader, this reads text from a character input stream, buffering characters for efficient reading of characters, arrays, and lines. Try with resources, this ensures that the buffered reader is closed automatically after use. Read loop, we read the HTML file line by line until there are no more lines to read. ###method 2, using JSOOP for parsing HTML. If you want to parse the HTML content instead of just reading it, you can use the JSOOP library. JSOOP is a Java library for working with real-world HTML. It provides a very convenient API for extracting and manipulating data. ###Step 1, add JSOOP dependency. If you are using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml. If you are not using Maven, download the JSOOP jar from the JSOOP website, https://jsoop.org/download, and add it to your project. ###example code. ###explanation. JSOOP library, this library is used for parsing and manipulating HTML. File, represents the HTML file to be read. JSOOP.parse, parses the HTML file and converts it into a document object. Document object, allows you to access various parts of the HTML, such as the title and text within the body. ###conclusion. Reading and parsing HTML files in Java can be done easily using the built-in Java I/O classes or by using external libraries like JSOOP for more complex tasks. The choice of method depends on your requirements, whether you need to simply read the HTML as a string or parse it to extract specific information. Feel free to experiment with the provided code examples by modifying paths and exploring JSOOP's powerful features.